Getting it done here at Courtside. Getting sound throughout this place.
Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
My workstation. Got those two speakers in the other day, Thursday and Friday. I got these two speakers in today. Got two more to put in tomorrow. So these Yamahas right here, baby. Sounding pretty awesome in here. Gonna be able to start doing announcements. So we're over here doing our team meetings and stuff like that after games. Oh yeah, get here just fine. Super loud. Got two more speakers to put up there. One coming down on each set of these bleachers. It's gonna be loud. I'm telling you, man, it's popping. I'm out. Get mounted.